Hello everyone, I'm going to be working on my web development portfolio. So I have this portfolio here, and it's almost like a year or two old. So I kind of have to. I've been working on it slowly. Uh, Put it here. Can't support channels enabled. Let me check if it's working. Mm, okay, I think it's working. I think we had like some technical difficulty there. Should be working now. Connected here. Okay. So, um, let me see. Actually, does this go live when I? Okay, so let me pause this. Okay, so this is my streaming section. So, what do I have to do today? I have. Let's see. I have 2 hours to work on this, and I'm gonna see what I could get done in 2 hours. So, a few things that I could do really quick. So, I have to improve. I kind of made a list, and I have the list right here. The list is this is list of things that I have to get done. Okay, so I was working on this today in the morning. Improve copy. So what's copy? So mine was just improve. Is this okay? So this is my real website. This is my live version of my website. My live version of my website is behind by just a little bit. It's not behind by too much. I have to push it live, which I'm probably gonna do today. Um, I think the only thing that I have extra is I have like a React section here, which I'm gonna do like a something with social media, and I gotta and then it kind of actually I could show you. So let me go here. Let me go to let me go. This is my code right here, and then let me go. Let me open index.html. Okay, so when I open index.html, I'm going to go to the terminal, new terminal. So, okay, I'm in the correct thing. So so if I do gulp, it should run. I already have this kind of set up. If anyone wants help with gulp, I'll try to help them as much as possible. But I don't really know. I kind of just copied. I know how to use it, but my configurations aren't. I just copied it from someone else. So anyway, I do gulp. It's gonna install browser sync, which is gonna do live reload. And today, in 2 hours, I'm hoping to get done. Let me see. Okay. It should be starting. Okay, so my my regular site here. This is my local site. So this is live. This is local. And I probably have to pause this. I don't know. This has no volume. Okay. So what do I have to do? Things that I could do really quickly. Um, I have to improve it every way. So I have to just keep improving it every week. I just have to improve it, improve it, improve it. Today I did. I gotta fix. Uh, what do I have to fix? I have a list here of exactly what I have to fix. So one is improve copy, which I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna start with that. So improve copy. It's just improve what's written here. So let me change it. Let me actually see if I could open this side by side so it's a little easier here. Uh, okay, so let me open. Uh, Let me open the blonde. What is this? And let me open. What is this? Keep clicking things. How do I make this smaller? Oh, there we go. I'm gonna try to make this side by side. What is this? No, I don't need this. Okay. I don't need to see it. I have so many things. Let's make this a little bigger. Okay. So now we have them side by side. Um, let me do word, toggle word wrapping. Okay. So a quick change that I'm gonna do is I'm going to change stuff that's written. So I'm noticing here that um, when I have it on a smaller screen, so okay, my navigation bar I have to fix. I have to fix it for mobile. But let me do one thing at a time. Let's just improve the copy because that's what I did. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna write 2 hours. I'm gonna try to make a plan of things that I could get done in 2 hours. Okay, so this is some of it. This is some of it. Okay, what I want to change is work experience content information. I don't think I need this. Wait. Okay. 5. Yeah, I don't think I need this. I'm gonna erase this. I'm gonna keep the div, even though I don't need it. And I'm gonna erase this. And then I'm gonna save just to see. Okay, I gotta get rid of that I. Okay, I'm also going, huh. So this I have to fix, but that's not what I'm gonna worry about right now. I'm going to worry about, okay. So this I have it written differently in my resume. So let me see. Let me open my resume. Also have to connect the resume, but that's different. Okay, so 1 second. Let me type in. I'm using a program that's actually interesting called Nova Resume. And I'll show you it in a second. So my resume is here. So this is a program. It's so you have to pay for the premium version of this site, but it's really good. So this is my current resume. I fixed it a little bit. So let me see if I could. Let me see. So this I'm gonna copy into this. And this I have to see, but I don't want to fix the mobile stuff right now. I just want to fix. Okay, so let me do this. So this is this is gonna be a UL, and it's gonna have LIs. So I think I could do, so right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 LIs. So I think if I do LI, I have Emmet, and let's see if this works. LI times 6, yes. So I'm gonna close this. I don't need to see that. So let me just copy and paste this. Uh-oh. Okay, no. Okay, copy, Control V. I'm using Windows, so Control V for me. I'm not sure what it is for Mac. I think it's also like Command V, but I don't really know. Okay, so Control V. Okay, so so let me refresh that. Ah, that doesn't look nice. Eesh. Let me see how. Let me make this big really quick. Uh, Also I don't have text decoration. Uh, Let me see something. Uh, let me make it just regular. Uh, I think I might have to make my text a little smaller. I need to kind of set myself up where uh this website I made a year ago or 2 years ago, so I don't really know exactly what like styles I was following. Okay, so I'm gonna make how big is this text? This text is I think 2.4 rem. Um, let's see. Fibonacci sequence calculator. The reason I'm using the Fibonacci sequence calculator is because I kind of like it for fonts, like how they increase font sizes, but I'm not gonna exactly go with that. Let me see. So 18. No. Term. What? Mm, uh, what font size should I use for CSS? Okay, so font size 16. So I like to make my fonts big, so I always do 18. Like, and standard is to make them like 16. So font size. Okay, I'm looking for a font size guide. Oh, actually, I should just show you what I'm looking at. Uh, so best font size for web. Okay, CSS rule. I don't think this answers my question. Font size, golden ratio. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, font size. Okay, I watched some conference online. Uh, golden ratio and typography calculator. Okay. Let's see. Font size 8. What? Content width? Oh, that's. I have no clue. When they mean content width, I'm not sure. Because content width could be anything. Let me see. 800. Line height. So, uh, medium. Let me see the content width of this. Okay. Approximately base 31. Giant text, heading text. Okay, I might just use this to have something. But it might not be. Eventually, I might change it. Okay. Font. 7. Let's just do 720. Show me. Let's see. Nah, I'm not gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with 48, 18, 24, and 14. Actually, no, 18 might be my lowest. So if I do that for this, I don't really have an exact way, but so let's see. So this right here is 26. So okay, so I guess I was following something. Let me see. Did I just do 26? No. So let me do 24. This is gonna be 14, and then this is gonna be 18. Oh no, 1.8. Oh, then, oh, I think that looks a little better. I don't have exact things, but that's looks a little better. It looks a little more in proportion. So let me write. So 14, 18, 24, 48. Because what is this? This is 67. 67. Maybe this is too big. Maybe I should make this. Let me see. I probably followed something. 68. Nah. 60. What did I have before? 60. 67? What it is? 67. 67. Okay. 19. And what are these? What size are this? So 67. So what am I basing 67 off? Huh. Let me see. Huh. Okay. So this looks a little better. Wonder if I should change the font. Okay, so let's make some of these fixes. Right now they're changed in the browser, but let's actually try to make some of these changes. Okay. Nice comment, response F. So what does this look like? Okay. Let me see. How do I get rid of this? Can I just refresh it? Oh, I'm probably gonna lose some stuff if I refresh it. Huh. I'm trying to get out of this screen. Close DevTools, that's what it was. Okay. This size. Okay. Let me see. So the size of this. 26. Okay. So I'm gonna fix. Uh, so this is gonna be. Let me see something. I wonder if I do 48. Oh no, it's pixel. For font size. Let me touch this again. Inspect. Okay, so let me inspect. No, that's not what I want to inspect. I want to inspect. I want to inspect this. I get font size. So font size 26. Wonder if I do 48. Font size 48. And that messes up everything. And I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually going to make it smaller. So what I have to do is right here I have work. So I have this section here. I have this class work experience work title. So let's go to work experience work title. Let's go to SCSS. Let's go to work experience. Okay. Work experience work title. I'm gonna change this to rem 2.4 rem. And the line height on this, it's gonna be okay. The line height I have to check. So I'm gonna save this. Okay, I saved it. I don't know if it auto refresh. I think it did. Let me. Okay. So this is okay. So the line height. So I did change the line height. Let me see. Oh no, I did change the font size. Let me change the line height. And I'm basing this line height off this right here. There's a kind of good ratio that you could do it. So line height. So I use 24, so 38. So 3.8 rem, 3.8 rem. Let me see how that looks. I have to type rem. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if I like that. WordPress, Shopify developer. It doesn't look. So when I do it full screen, it doesn't look that bad. Let me see. I don't have padding. No, I don't have padding on it. So go here to the left. Let me see. Why? For some reason, I'm not liking it. Let me think. So 24. Let me see. So 3.8, 3.9. So what I hear is a good rule of thumb is to have. Oh, right here. That's why I kept hearing myself. Line height HTML. Line height HTML. Okay. How to good practices. Okay, so from here, from what I'm reading here, best UX practices for line height. So no, I'm good. I think they say 1.5 times. Okay, so I have. Okay, so 1.3 times, but I can do anything from 120 to 200 is acceptable, but 140. Let me see. So I have 2.4. 2.4. So let me calculate that. So 2.4, 24 times 0.4. That's 33. So let's do the line height 33. And let's see how that turns out. 33.6. So let me see. Where do I have this? I think I'm just changing. Okay. So here, I think this is too big. That's definitely a little bit better. I might just do it 3.4 to round up. 3.3. 3.36. Let's do it exact. Let's see. I'm not sure if that did anything. Okay. 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 47. Let's see. 14. 18. Shopify developer. Actually, I'm gonna leave it 3.8 for now. Even though I calculated it higher. Okay, so this guy right here, a work experience date. Okay, work experience date. So I'm gonna go here, date. So that's kind of how I have it organized. This is 16 pixels. I'm going to make this 1.4. So the reason I have pixels is because I made this a year and a half ago, and I didn't really know how to use rem right now. So the rem that I'm using is I don't think I need margin bottom. 1.4 rem line height. Let's see if I can get line height. And the line height for 1.4 rem, I'm gonna put it 2.6 rem. Let's see. And let me remove margin bottom. Okay, that looks better. That looks good. I like that. I like that so far. Okay, so work experience list. Okay, work experience description. description, work experience list. So list I have 2.4. So I'm gonna make this 1.8. So I'm gonna save that. Okay, that definitely looks better. Now, I wonder if I remove the text decorator, text decoration, none. Is that, wait, save? Oh, no. I have to do list style. So, right now I have inside, but if I do none, uh, list style, inside, oh, oops, inside. I don't like that. Let's find text decoration, list style. My ears are hot. What I could do is I could make. Oh, is my computer freezing? Oh, I have too much stuff open. I think my computer's freezing. Okay. I spent like 30 minutes here. Okay, let's see. Is it frozen? Yep, I think it's frozen. Uh, my computer is going slow, and that's because I have a million Chrome tabs open. List style, or everything is going so slow. I'm trying to type list style, but Chrome isn't really working for me right now. List style. Okay, what I gotta do is I have way too much. Yep, I have too much stuff open. As you can tell, my screen just went black. So I'm gonna have to close stuff. What can I close? Let's see, what can I close? I'm gonna save this as a tab. Current window. Save. React app tab. Okay. Boom. But I gotta close it. Yep. Network is broken. Oh, is my internet down? I don't think my internet's down. Uh. Mm -hmm. Huh. So I got disconnected. Let's see. Okay. Let me see. So I closed a lot of things. Let me see. Okay, so I think that my server broke. So I probably have to open another server. So let's do gulp and let's see. So if anyone's interested, okay, let me first see if it works. It's not working. Oh wait, yeah, I think my streaming is everything is kind of freezing right now. I might have to restart stuff. Okay, I'm gonna actually restart. But if you're watching this video, if you guys are learning, I'm also learning too. There's also a lot of things that I learn, relearn, but like the way I'm organizing the fonts, I'm not a designer, so I kind of just go by rules. Everything I kind of go by a rule, like golden ratio, Fibonacci ratio. These like if you kind of just if you're not a designer and I'm not a designer, if you kind of just go with these rules, you're safer. Like sometimes people have like a gut instinct of what to do, but that's a little harder for web design because everything is kind of moving. But if you kind of go by these rules, golden ratio rules, they also have like typography rules and line height rules. So if you kind of go by that, you uh, generally you should be good. So I'm gonna have to restart this. I'm not even sure if I'm streaming. So I'm gonna restart. You guys, if anyone's new to web development, I have a few good resources. Actually, probably should just look at the camera. If you guys are interested in web development, I have a few good resources. There are a few good books when I first started. You could click them. Actually, it's affiliate link, so if you click them, I get a little bit. But you don't have to buy them from me. But if you do, that would definitely help me out. Um, but even then, all the books that are there are really good. If you're starting HTML, CSS, they have that. If you're starting PHP, they also have that. Um, what else books did I put? Oh, if you're doing React, the book that I have for React is good. I also put one for fish oil because I like fish oil. And the company that I put there, I highly recommend. Also, what else did I put there? That's mainly it. I'm gonna stop and then restart my computer, and then I'm gonna stream again.